Yo boys, making another video here. This one is going to be from the trades that I took today on the S&P 500. Just some scalp trades that I took um, from when I woke up this morning. So first off, the two rules that I have whenever that I'm day trading is one, we need to make a swing low. And the second confirmation that I need is some sort of order flow, divergence, or auction market theory confluence to go with my trade. And then the next part of it is regaining some sort of an important level. Okay? So with those being said, some things that I noticed when I got on, I started looking at the chart somewhere at here. And if you look on the 15-minute time frame here, you'll see that the RSI is at the complete bottom here. So it was super oversold. Not that I really use RSI for oversold in trading anything under the 4-hour, but it was just something that I noticed. And then we're obviously creating divergence here on the 3-minute. So here's one of my boxes ticked. And then I also had a second confluence here at the bottom, which was, I'll pull this over here so you guys can see it. But right here, we had a ton of trapped buyers coming in here. So the market tried to sell down, and it could not penetrate this level. And this is the low right here, the swing low that it made on the third leg of divergence. And then it tries to come down here. A bunch of people, these bubbles here are basically showing aggressive market participants, so people that are market smashing. So a ton of people tried to sell here, and you can see that on the deltas too, minus 315, minus 242, and the price didn't go down. So why did the price not go down from that level? That is because there is a passive buyer there absorbing the liquidity. So following the footsteps of the big market players, and basically all those people that market smashed at that level, which was right in here, they're all going to be getting stopped out instantly here, or closing their positions, because they're all going to be underwater very quickly, right? And that's why you saw such a big pump here on these three candles, because all of those people were getting stopped out at the same time. So my first trade here, I entered on this candle here. Like it was somewhere in there. Right after I saw that aggressive selling that got absorbed. And then this one was like a 4 risk reward. It went pretty much straight to PT from all those people getting stopped out. But the thing is we made a new low. We regained this level, which was the most local level that took us up here, very local. And we had confluences of divergence here. We had confluences of trapped buyers. And those were the three main parts to that trade. You see I took some more scalps in here as well. I took one more trade. This was the one trade that actually didn't end up working out. But I took another buy up here after I got closed out of my position here on the 4 risk to reward trade. And the reason I took that trade was because, try to find it here. This is where it was up here. We had a ton of aggressive buying here, and we saw these aggressive buyers getting rewarded on this candle here. So I had my stop loss under these guys here, expecting the price to keep going higher from these people here. But you can see that it just got ran straight through, and I got stopped out instantly on that trade. Okay, second trade I took, this was the untested level here. So since we flew up here, and we did not test this important level here, which was the level that took you up to make this high. Arguably the most important level in this whole range in this sequence, and it got untested here on this pump. So I was looking for it to come down and retest this level. Why? Because it's the untested level. And I took 2 units here on this trade. One here, and then on the impulse down, which I don't really like taking trades on the impulse down. Sometimes you'll just get ran through. So this was also kind of a bit of a YOLO trade. But after I saw that we were regaining here, I actually entered another unit here. So I had 2 units. And then I sold up here. And then I got stopped out on my other unit over here. It was a trailing stop. And the reason why is because we came up here and there was a ton of failed buying at the top here. So all of these people not getting rewarded, and price pretty much just shoots straight down. I believe my trailing stop was... Trying to see exactly where this was. Let me pull this over. Okay, so yeah, all the failed buying was right there. And then I was just had my stop trailed on the other one over here because I didn't get my full PT here. My full PT was actually up here for like 3.5 risk to reward, so I only got like around 2.5 here. And the reason why I got out of that one unit there before it hit my target was just because I saw this and I didn't like that, so I wanted to at least get 1 unit of profit there, and then I held another unit here. Just seeing if we could break through this level, which we did not end up breaking. So far I took 4 trades. 1 of them didn't work out. 3 of them did. And then the last 2 trades I took here, I took 1 trade here, and I actually got stopped out at break even because this was a very aggressive trade. And I'll show you why. We have huge aggressive buying here, which is what I saw. And as soon as we gained this level here, I took the trade with my stop underneath this level, and it came down. It tapped me out one time, and then I re-entered on the trade, and then got out somewhere up there. Yeah, up here. And this was like another, I want to say, this ended up actually taking me out at like 1.5 R or something, so it wasn't anything too crazy. Overall, very good, positive day. And you can see on here we made a new low lower than this low, and then we regained the level again. So some pretty textbook stuff from the market today. This trade was obviously really bad because it just didn't follow my first 2 rules. This trade was from an untested level, so it's like a little bit different. And then this trade, we actually made the new low and then regained. So overall, good trades. I just wanted to give you guys a quick recap of what I was thinking and why I took these trades. And if you guys enjoy the day trading trades that I'm taking, I can make more videos on it, or you can go through more of my thought process on how and I get confirmation on these trades and why I'm taking them. So with that being said, drop a like if you enjoyed this video, and I'll do more recaps of my day trades that I'm taking. But for now, that's it. Peace, boys.